Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Macrocytosis. In macrocytosis, there is increase in average cell size. The size of the RBCs increases in macrocytosis. So, the mean corpuscular volume of macrocytosis is more than 100 femtoliters. Causes of macrocytosis are vitamin B12 deficiency, folate deficiency, hypothyroidism, thiamine deficiency, liver diseases, alcoholism, drugs like zidovudine. So these are the causes of macrocytosis: vitamin B12 deficiency, folate deficiency, hypothyroidism, thalassemia, liver diseases, alcohol, and drugs like zidovudine.
thank you and thank you for watching.